Hello students, welcome back to Nanded Free Education channel, and in this video I will be discussing with you countable and uncountable nouns with the rules of changing the singular noun into plural nouns. So let's see first the countable and uncountable noun. Now what is a countable noun? It is possible to count countable nouns. Singular and countable nouns can be divided into singular and plural. For examples, an apple, two apples, a banana, seven bananas. The definition is very easy. The things which we can count, they are called as countable. And the things which we cannot count in number 1, 2, 3, they are called as uncountable nouns. So, it is not possible to count uncountable nouns, and uncountable nouns are only singular. For examples, bread, meat, milk, water, coffee, tea, fish. You might have not heard any time that give me one milk, give me two milk, or give me one water. We have to add a quantifier if we use it as a countable. Like we say, give me a cup of milk. So a cup, that is the quantifier we have added. Or we say that give me a glass of water. A glass, that is the quantifier we have added. And then we have used the articles for that. So countable and uncountable nouns is clear to you. Then countable, they can be singular or plural as I told you. An apple, some apples. Uncountable, they are always singular. Coffee, milk, money and pasta. Now, singular and plural noun. First of all, let's see the definition. A singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. Means one person, one place, one thing or one idea. And a plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. Now, rules for changing singular nouns into plural nouns. So, first there are different rules. We'll see each rule one by one. So, first rule, that is by adding yes to the singular noun, and these are called as the regular nouns. For example, a car, one car, and if I have to make it plural, two cars. To the noun car, s is added and it has become the plural cars. A dog, two dogs. A book, two books. A house, two houses. One apple, two apples. Another rule, by adding es, and es will be adding only to the noun which ends in s, ch, sh, x or z. Means if the singular noun ends with s, then we have to add es. If it ends with ch also, sh, x or z, then only we are going to add es and making the plural. For example, one bus. If you see, the noun ends with s. So we have added es now. Two buses. One match, ch. Two matches. One dish, two dishes. One box, two boxes. One quiz, two quizzes. Got it? All the nouns S, CH, SH, X or Z. Third rule, adding VES. But before that, what we have to do? We have to remove F and FE. It means this rule is applicable to the nouns which ends in F or FE. For example, leaf. One leaf. It ends in F. So if we have to make it plural, what is that? Two leaves. So what we have done? We have removed the F first and then added VES. So the spelling LEAVES, leaves. One wolf, two wolves. One life, that is FE, two lives. So we have to remove F and FE and then add VES to make the plural form. One knife, two knives. But in grammar, there are some exceptions for the rules, and here also exception is there, that is roof and cliff. Both these nouns, though they end in F, but the plural form will not become like roofs or cliffs. It only becomes plural with adding just S word. So these are the exceptions that you have to keep in your mind. Next rule, by adding s, if the common noun, singular common noun ends with y but before Y if vowel is there. For example, the word day, day, it ends in Y, but before that a vowel is there, that is a. And so we have to add yes and make the plural form. 1 day, 2 days. One key here, vowel E is there. Two keys. One boy, two boys, vowel O. One guy, that is vowel U. Two guys. One donkey, two donkeys. Again, vowel E. Now, next rule. If the singular noun ends in Y, but before that, if a consonant is there, then we have to remove that Y and add IES. For example, one city. If you see the spelling of city, CITY, before Y, T is there, which is a consonant. So while making the plural noun, what we have to do? First of all, we have to remove the Y. So CIT. Why we have removed? And what we have to add? We have to add IES. So the spelling CITIES. Cities, two cities. One baby, two babies. One story, two stories. One party, two parties. And one country, two countries. One more rule, that is, these are called as the irregular nouns, because here the previous rules, the 5 rules which we have seen, all these rules are not applicable for these kinds of singular nouns, and so it is called as irregular nouns. For example, one man, two men, one child, two children, one foot, 2 feet, one tooth, two teeth, one mouse, two mice, one person, two people. It means all the singular and plural nouns, they have the different forms. No particular rule is applicable for these nouns. So it is called as the irregular nouns. Next rule. The singular noun which ends with O and before that a vowel sound. It's like the rule of Y only. So what we have to do? We have to add just yes. One zoo, two zoos. One radio, two radios. One stereo, two stereos. One video, two videos. One kangaroo, two kangaroos. And if the singular noun ends with O, but before that, if a consonant is there, then we have to add ES. For example, hero, heroes. Echo, echoes. Before O, R is there. Here in the second word, before O, H is there, which is the consonant. Tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. Here again, we have some exceptions. That is, piano will become pianos. Instead of ES, it should be S. And photo become photos. Then there are some nouns which cannot change, means both the forms are same, the singular also and the plural also. One sheep, two sheep. See, there is no change in the spelling. The same spelling is there. One deer, two deer. One fish, two fish. One series, two series. And one species, two species. So these are the some nouns which cannot have any change in the singular also and plural. So just by seeing the number, we can say it is singular or plural. And this is one of the important note that you all have to remember, that some nouns are always used in singular. They do not change into the plural form. For example, abstract nouns. Fun, freedom, like we cannot add yes, funs, freedoms. These nouns cannot be changed into plural. They remain as singular only. Music, permission, employment, education, etc. Then common nouns. Some common nouns cannot be changed into plural, like equipment, aircraft, furniture, luggage. Some material nouns also cannot be changed into plural. Glass, silver, gold, iron. However, we can use the quantifier and express the amount or number of those nouns. For example, every piece of furniture in the shop is antique. There are too many pieces of furniture. So we have added the quantifier piece and then we have make it singular and pieces plural. So if we want to make this noun into plural, before that we have to add a quantifier. The quantity of uncountable nouns such as oil, cloth and gold can be denoted by using countable nouns before them. For example, 3 liters of oil, 5 meters of cloth and 2 grams of gold. So these are some important points which we have to remember while changing singular into plural. So I hope now all the rules for changing the singular into plural are clear to you, and with the exceptions also. So if you understood the topic, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.